Hello students and parents, in today's video, I'll show you how to report unsafe content to protection team for students. First of all, try to find the site by searching the PFTS link. If you can't, don't worry. The link is always available here on this channel. When you open the site, you will see 4 buttons: Partner Request, Notes, Report Unsafe Content, and Rules. What you need to do is simple. Just click on the Report Unsafe Content button. When you click it, your email app will automatically open. As soon as it opens, you will see the email you're sending to, which is the official PFTS email. What you need to do is easy. First, add a title for your report. Then, in the text, write your name at the bottom. Include the site you are reporting if it is pretending to be friendly, and explain why it is unsafe. As soon as you click the send button, we will check your report on the weekends. And that's how to report unsafe content to PFTS. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more about PFTS, visit our site.